Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the Weebly vertical divider. This handy tool lets you add clean vertical lines to separate content sections on your website, giving your pages a more organized and professional look. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites. Look over to the left side menu where you'll see the website option. Click on it, and directly underneath, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. Next, you'll see a list of all the websites you've created. Choose the one you want to edit by clicking on it. Once selected, look to the right side of your screen and click the Edit button. This will open up your website editor, allowing you to make changes to your site's design and content. Now, make sure you're in the Build section by checking the top menu. This is where you'll access all the tools and apps you need to customize your site. On the left side menu, scroll down until you find Installed Apps in the lower section. Here, click on Add App. This action will redirect you to the Weebly App Center where you can browse and install various features and widgets. In the App Center's search bar, type in vertical or vertical divider to find the specific app we need. Once it appears in the results, click on Vertical Divider. You'll see an option to add the app to your website. Click Add, then follow by clicking Connect. This installs the vertical divider functionality directly into your Weebly editor. After connecting, go back to your website editor. Now comes the fun part. In your installed apps section, you'll see the vertical divider listed among your available tools. Simply drag it to wherever you want to place it on your page. This could be between columns of text, images, or any other content blocks you've created. Once it's positioned, you can customize it by adjusting the color to match your brand, changing the width to make it thicker or thinner, and modifying the border style to suit your design preferences. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a vertical divider on your Weebly website, giving your content a cleaner, more structured appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.